to take you through a full day of eating while I'm walking out. So, with my first meal, I like to have one of these. What's up, dude? What are you doing? Are you gonna do your full day of eating too?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, let's do this. This is meal number one right here. I got bagels, I got a granola bar, some broccoli, two whole eggs, 3 egg whites. But that's it right there. Give it a try. You can drink this if you have it on your plan. Apple cider vinegar. Bagel taste. Alright guys, time to meal prep. We got the mighty plates here. I got, by the way, I got these at Target or Walmart, one of the two. I don't usually go to Walmart, but nothing against Walmart, by the way. But I got them at Target. Now, let's get this chicken out. These meals right here, it's gonna be about half day for me. These two meals, and then I'm also gonna have a banana. I'm gonna have this, and I'm also gonna have, bam, I'm gonna have some dried fruit too. I usually change it out from time to time, but I love the day because it's gonna be granola. I love granola, oatmeal, some dark chocolate. But I'll make sure to share the recipe with you guys on the next video. Let's get it. So here we have our last meal of the day slash dessert. It's protein. You pick whatever protein you like. We have the oatmeal, some unfiltered honey, some dark chocolate right there. So stay tuned for the actual meal. So time to mix it up. Hey, come here. You want to do me a favor? Come here. Come here. You want to say hi to the camera? Say hi. Count to 3 for me. Say 1, 2, 3.
No.
Please? Say please.
No.
Count for me.
No.
They never want to help you then. Anyway. Alright guys, so there we have it. Last meal of the day. We got the dessert right here. And then we have the rice, the broccoli, and then we have some red meat right here. Pot roast. If you want the recipe, leave a comment down below and I'll hook you up with the recipe for that pot roast. Oh, it's going down right now. I already added my whipped cream to the plate. This is my dessert right here. Look at that, you guys. Come on. Who says that dieting is bad or you have to be miserable? Bullshit. You don't have to be miserable. You can enjoy your diet. That's how you can sustain your diet. Look at this. All of this is going down right now. I usually try the dessert before my actual meal. Oh my. Look at this. You wanna try it?
No.
You're missing out. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. More videos are coming this way, so let's make it happen. I'm gonna be posting videos about training, nutrition, the way I approach diets, nutrition, and all that. For more info, send me an email. Check out my website. Pick your program, and let's work together. Let's get it done. See ya.